Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your EA and Steam accounts. We'll start by understanding why linking these platforms is beneficial for your gaming experience. Then, I'll guide you through the primary method for establishing this connection, ensuring you can access all your games seamlessly. Finally, we'll cover some common troubleshooting tips to help you resolve any issues that might arise during the process. To link your accounts, first ensure the EA app is installed. Then, simply launch any EA game from your Steam library. The EA app will automatically open and prompt you to sign into your existing EA account. After entering your credentials, you'll be asked to confirm the link between your Steam and EA accounts. Just click to confirm, and the connection will be established. Once you've linked your accounts, you can verify the connection. Visit the EA website, sign into your EA account, and navigate to your account settings. Look for the Connections or Connected Accounts section. Here, you should see Steam listed as a linked platform. This confirms that your accounts are successfully connected, allowing you to enjoy your games and features. If you encounter issues, first double-check that you're signing into the correct EA account. If you've forgotten your password, try resetting it. Remember, an EA account can only be linked to one Steam account in its lifetime, so choose carefully. If problems persist, reaching out to EA support is the best next step for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.